Hey, good afternoon everybody. This is John from Volkswagenplanet, and we're going to show you what actually goes on around here on a day-to-day basis. This is, I want to say, a 1968. This is what I call the circus car, the clown car, due to the front end. I'm currently taking the rear end out of this one, getting ready to strip this one down to, I don't know what I want to do with this one yet, but I got the swing axle out of it, and I'm slowly but surely getting this one down to bare bones. This is the swing axle. Again, this is the clown car, circus car, whatever you want to call it, due to the front end. I want to say, I think it's a 1968, but I'm not 100% sure. And I think me and Duckman Cycles and VW Garage has confirmed that this is a 68 when he was down here, due to the gas door, the padded dashboard, and so on. Take it to the 1970 convertible. I'm currently taking the motor out of this one. Again, not quite sure if I want to strip this one down and start building a car from scratch, but that's what's going on with the 1970. Next one is the wow, let me focus in a little bit. This is the 72 Super. Nothing really going on with this one. I'm working on the tunnel on this, and I started to plumb this one here, the fuel lines, the accelerator cables, etc., yada yada yada. And last but not least, the parts car. Can't remember if this is a 72 or a 74, but this was the one that was clipped in the rear end, all for the VW trike. And this one here, I've taken the gas tank out, and I'm slowly but surely starting to strip all this one down. So there you guys have it. Just what goes on an average day around here when I am feeling a little bit better and I decide to work on these things. Oh yeah, hold on, one more. Well, no, that one's locked up. Nothing's been going on with the what's it called, with the auto stick. Isn't that one lovely? But anyways guys, that's what's going on the last couple of days, and I'll be giving you guys an update video on what's been going on with Lucy. So you guys have a good day, and we'll catch you on the next video.